Hi. So here we have a simple simultaneous equations question. So we have 2x plus 3y is equal to 6 and x plus 2y is equal to 4. And I'm going to be showing you how we would solve this type of question. Now, a lot of people, a lot of students, when it comes to thinking about algebra, they get confused with letters. You have to think of the letters as kind of a substitute, right? It's kind of a number, but we don't know what that number is. So we just put it in place because we don't know what it is. So what we have is essentially 2 times a number x plus 3 times y is equal to 6. And we're trying to figure out what number y allows us to be times by 3 times it and what number x allows it to be times by 2 to get, and you add those together to get 6. And the same with what is the x plus the 2 times y plus added together to get the 4. And what we're trying to find out what specific number allows both of these equations to be true at the same time. That's why it's simultaneous equations, because they have to be true at the same time. Because they could be different numbers that allow us to get the answer. But if they're not true at the same time, then it's not a simultaneous equation. So first things first, we can label these equations to just get our head around what is what. So I'm just going to label these 1 and 2. Okay. And so what we want to do is find a way to cancel out like terms. So I'm going to focus on here, we're going to focus on the x terms because this is the easiest to look at. It's a lot simpler compared to looking at y. So to start with the simple one. So I'd say we can get the x to be here to be 2x. So what we're going to do is get the second equation and times it by 2. So x times by 2 is 2x. And then we're going to have plus 4y. And 4 times by 2 is 8. So we're going to have 8. So this is 2 times by 1. 2 times by 2. Not 2 times by 1. So now we're going to have this equation with the equation 1, and we're going to put them together. So we've got 2x plus 3y equals 6, and we have the 2 equation at the top. So we're going to add these together. So let's do a little plus sign here for our reference to show that we're adding. We do a little line. I said add, no, we're doing the takeaway. Telling me, let's get raw. Get rid of that. Okay, I meant to take away. So take away. So 2x take away 2x gives us 0. So just so you can see it's 0. And 4y take away 3y is just y. And that's still positive, so we'll put a plus sign here. And y. And 8 take away 6 is 2. So we can ignore the 0. So we have y is equal to 2. So now what we want to do is substitute that back into one of the equations so we can find a solution. So let's substitute into equation 1. So we have 2x plus 3, equation 1 we have 3. So 3 times by y, which is 2, and that equals to 6. So we have 2x plus 6, let's go down to make it clear, is equal to 6. Now we want to get rid of the numbers, so there's only numbers on one side. So what we'll do is take away 6, and therefore we get 2x equals 0. So we got rid of the number and we only have the x term, right? So we got 2x equals to 0, and divide both sides by 2. That gives us x is equal to 0. So we have a solution that y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 0. Just to double check, we can substitute into equation 2. X is 0. This would be 0 plus 2 times by 2 is equal to 4. That's 4. So yeah, this would be true. 4 times by 4 is 4. Yeah. So it gives us 4, which we hope to see. This is just a check. Right, it's just a quick check. So we found the solutions, and that's how you solve simultaneous equations. Thank you.